So today we are going to start a new chapter from your English grammar, conjunctions. Chapter 12, conjunctions. Now what do you mean by conjunction? Okay, I'll tell you what is the meaning of conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases or sentences together. These are those words which help us to join two or more words, phrases or sentences together. For phrases, you can also say a group of words. So, Sabha is a student of class 7. Arunima is also a student of class 7. So, these are two sentences. And instead of repeating the same predicate, we want to join these two sentences and want to make a single sentence. So, how do we do that? We use add conjunction, and then with the help of conjunction and, we will join these two sentences that Sabha and Arunima are students of class 7. When you write Sabha and Arunima, so you will use your verb according to your subject. In this sentence, there is more than one person, Sabha and Arunima, so it is your plural. Your subject is plural, so you will use your verb according to your subject and you will use are instead of is. Next example, Sabha's mother is a painter, Arunima's mother is a writer. In the same way, you will join these two sentences with the help of this word while, and this is your conjunction. So that's how your conjunction works. Now we will move to the kinds of conjunctions. Conjunctions are broadly of two kinds, coordinating and subordinating. But when we read this in detail, this is your kinds of conjunctions when we see in detail. Coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Here, coordinating conjunction examples are given: and, but, or, not, neither, for, yet, still, and so. These all are your coordinating conjunctions. And what do you mean by correlative? Both, and, not only, but, either, or, and neither, nor. These all are your correlative conjunctions. So we will see coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions connect sentences or clauses of equal rank or order is called a coordinating conjunction. This is the conjunction which we use to connect sentences of equal rank or clauses of equal rank. They are independent clauses, or order is called a coordinating conjunction. Your sentences or clauses will be independent. They will not be dependent on each other, rather they will be independent. And when we have to join these independent sentences or independent clauses, then there we use coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions always join two or more independent clauses, as I have already told you. Some commonly used coordinating conjunctions. अभी हमने देखा, we have seen the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Here also some coordinating conjunctions are given: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So these all are your coordinating conjunctions. Now we will see some examples. Soham woke up early, yet he was late to work. Arun wanted to see the match, so he went to Tarun's house. Even if we write these two sentences separately, they will make sense. Soham woke up early. Yes, he was late to work. Now, when we want to join these two sentences, so we will use coordinating conjunction. These sentences, here it is written, these sentences can be divided into two equal and complete parts. Arun wanted to see the match. It is making sense. It is independent. He went to Tarun's house. Again, it is making sense. It is independent. See, here are some usage of some conjunctions are given. Using and to join sentences. Where do we use and conjunction? When we have to add one statement to another, there we use and. Like the boy is a good singer, the boy is a good dancer. So we can write like this, the boy is a good singer and dancer. Using but to join sentences. There is a contrast between two statements. Where do we use but? When we have to add contrast to statements. And we use contrast to statements by using but conjunction. He is slow, he is careful. He is slow, this is a negative point. He is careful, this is positive point. So we can add these two contrast statements with the help of but conjunction. He is slow but careful, but using or otherwise. When we have choices, to express choice we use or otherwise. Water the plants every day, they will die. Water the plants every day or they will die. In case you will not water the plants, they will die. So it's your choice. Conjunctions. Now we will move to the correlative conjunctions. Some places you will get correlative as a part of coordinating conjunctions. When we join similar facts or statements, we use correlative conjunctions. They are used in pairs. It is written that they join similar facts or statements, they are used in pairs. So when we have to join similar facts or statements, they are used in pairs. Priyanka is a good worker as well as a good human being. It's all about Priyank, not Priyanka. Priyank, and both the facts are positive. Priyank is a good worker as well as good human being. They went to the hills. Now the second one. This one. They went to the hills and admired the beauty of nature. So here and is also your correlative conjunction. Nana is not only very proud but also very rude. Nana is not only very proud but also very rude. So we are using these words not only but also in pairs. So they are used in pairs. This is your correlative conjunction. In the starting of this video, you must have got one video clip of quiz based on conjunctions. Now after knowing all these conjunctions, try to find out the correct answers. Answers are given in that clip. So go through that clip again and revise your topic. Tomorrow we will start a new topic, that is subordinating conjunctions, and then your English syllabus will be completed. So thank you for the day. Jai Narayan.